sa boat, matatanggal. Ganun yun na. Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 6.
Bilang, 6.
Okay. Next round. Walang natanggal ah. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4.
4. Nag-away na po. Panalo na yung 4. Panalo na yung 4. Tanggal si Audrey. Tanggal.
Iba ng round na nga.
Iba na lang. Audrey, wag ka kasing humawak. Kasi ba
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5.
Okay.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 1. Okay, wala na tanggal. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3.
Talo. Talo ka. Next.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2.
Okay, dalawa yung panalo? Okay.
Okay.